You found the broken condition because a customer told you. The workflow ran. The email sent. Nothing errored. It just went out with the wrong half of it missing. There is a button in the editor that would have caught that in about 10 seconds. Send test email. And the reason it catches things is not that it is a preview, it is that it is not one. When you send a test, FlowMattic runs the same 3 functions in the same order that a real send runs. It prepares your variables, it expands the loops, it resolves the conditions. The comment in the source says it plainly, so test emails match the delivered output, which changes what the button is for. If a block is missing in the test, it will be missing in the send. That is not a preview, that is proof. So let's use it properly. Send test to your own address. And then the part people miss. Test data, fields or JSON, whichever you prefer. And this is the important line. Override variable values for this preview. Changes here will not affect the saved template data, so you can lie to it, safely, as many times as you like. Set plan to free. Send. Upgrade button there. Roadmap link, gone. Now change one word. Plan, pro. Send again. They swap. You have just proved both branches in under a minute without touching the workflow. And now, do it on purpose. Empty the coupon code. Send. The banner should disappear, and it does. Set line items to an empty pair of brackets. Send. The rows collapse, and your "Nothing today" message does not appear. There it is. The trap from the last video, reproduced deliberately in 10 seconds instead of found in production by a customer. Now the honest part. What this does not prove. 3 things. The subject arrives with the word test in front of it. That is added on the way out. It goes through WordPress mail from your site address, not through the provider your step is configured with. So this tells you nothing about deliverability. And your template's own default values are not merged in. A real send falls back to them. A test uses exactly what you gave it. One more, and it looks like a bug the first time you see it. If there is no data at all, nothing is processed. Your curly braces arrive in the inbox exactly as you typed them. That is not broken. That is the tell that you have not given it anything to work with. So, it proves your logic, not your delivery, which is the half you can actually get wrong quietly.